For those that already follow me on Instagram, know what I'm driving, know what I'm doing, know what's going on with the car. So today I'm going to show y'all how to put on a rear diffuser. From what I've seen on YouTube, there's two ways to do this. You can either take off the bumper, or you can just take off this little black piece. There's a clip right here, and there's 4 bolts under there. And on the other side, there's another clip right here. That's what I'm gonna do. But first I gotta take off this old one. Then I get back to it. Took out my rear diffuser, or took it off, the last one. Took out all the pins. These ones right here was a 7mm, and they say once you get all that off, you just come to one end and you just pull out and downward, and all these clips will pop out. Then you just go down the line just like that. Look like when it come off, I had all that buried inside that. Here it go right here. Old diffuser. New diffuser. For this one, I went ahead and drilled the holes on the end so I could use the old clips. About to put it on. Still got to put back in the screws and bolts, but that's what it's looking like. The fitment was pretty dead on. You can see a little bit of a gap right there, but I'm gonna see if I can adjust that real quick. But yeah, you gotta be real up close and personal to see it like that though. Thank y'all for tuning in. Do me a favor, like, comment, share, subscribe. I got more mods and more videos coming up. Thanks for rocking with me.